Hello everyone, Shiraz Khurana this side, and in this set of lectures, we are going to learn how to use Unity. Since we are targeting VR and AR development, so Unity is a very powerful tool uh, to utilize this. So we'll begin with the process of downloading Unity. So first of all, for that you have to go to unity.com, and Unity is a free tool for students and some researcher, although it has some commercial version also. There are some constraint in that, that you should not earn a major revenue from that, or maybe there are some other constraints also. So if you are interested in making money, then you need to buy a particular Unity version. Otherwise, free version is also fine. So once you go to Unity, so there are various tabs over there that this is their products. So if you go over there, they give lots of things. Core platform, if you want to learn premium. Other than that, they have lots of things. So for the time being, I'm not going to go into the detail of this. And similarly, these are the solution that you can get from that. You can generate some sort of games, automotive, some manufacturing things, some films and animation, right? So everything will be there. In case you want to learn something about this, so already they are providing some sort of tutorial also. So we'll go with the downloading first. First of all, go over here and click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, it shows some plans, business plan. If you are having some startup or maybe some other company, then you go for some Plus or Pro version, right? These are the these are the options available. These are annual plan as well as paid monthly, but I suggest you to go for individual one. Here also they have further two plans. One is student one, another one is personal. For student one, you maybe it's available for those students, those who are having GitHub Student Developer Pack. Only it will be available to them. So it has some fantabulous features, like you will have 5 seats of Unity Teams Advanced. It also provides some dark theme UI, and also real-time cloud diagnostics is also there. Some free web space is also there. So in case you want to go for this one, first you have to obtain GitHub Student Developer Pack. To get that, go to this education.github.com/pack. Go over there, and further you can get this pack. Click on this, and later on you may register yourself as a student. You may add on your email ID or maybe some sort of school and password. They may ask you some sort of proof, that is as some sort of transcripts or maybe some ID card, and they will certainly going to take some sort of maybe proof to identify. Maybe within 1 month or within few hours they are going to respond to you, right? So for in case you want to obtain that particular license, then go for the sign up. Otherwise, click on Get Started, free personal edition. So once you go over there, it will redirect you to store.unity.com/download NUO. So you can start over here. So once you click over here, it shows some sort of acknowledgement that you agree to these terms and conditions, that you have not raised funds exceeding $100,000. So once you agree and download, so it will going to download Unity Hub. So once you start download, so Unity Hub will be downloaded. So we have downloaded Unity. So once you open that Unity by searching over here like Unity, so this Unity Hub icon will appear. So it has projects, learn, community installs. So this is the version which we have downloaded. Sometimes in case you want to add on some old version, so there is an option like you want Unity 2018.4, 17s, or maybe you want some pre-release alpha or beta version. So I suggest you to go for the latest one, but go for the one which is almost stable, right? So you can have the previous one also, because sometimes you may have some compatibility issue with your applications. So this is how it works. Similarly, they are some they are providing some already built-in apps, some already built-in projects that you can learn, like VR Beginner, the escape room. Similarly, some tutorials are also there which you can utilize to learn from this. Other than that, there is a community called Unity blog, some answers.unity.com. Let's say you face some issue while working on Unity. So you can post your questions over here. Similarly, blog is also there. Some forum are also there. Some live help is also there, right? So this is the community which is available. You may utilize this also. Similarly, in case you want to create some project, so there will while creating a project, you may go on and click new, uh, 2D or 3D. This is how you can select and you can name anything. So this in this particular video, I'm not going to cover any projects or something. So maybe in next tutorial, we are going to cover those also. Yeah, thank you so much.